do you start in planning for NGSS-based instruction? Consider the idea that the way scientists operate in the real world is remarkably similar to how students operate in effective classrooms. This idea is part of the foundation for the next generation science standards. So how do you structure your instruction to support authentic science learning? Well, what does authentic science look like in real research? In August of 2000, forensic seismologist Keith Koper learned, along with the rest of the world, that something had gone horribly wrong during Russian naval exercises in the Barents Sea. One of Russia's cruise missile submarines, the Kursk, had sank. There'd been reports of explosions, and Keith wondered if he could use the seismic signature of the explosions to figure out what had happened on the sub. Dr. Koper had a question that he wanted to figure out, and he had the evidence to address it. Our students can ask similar authentic questions, but at the frontiers of their own understanding. For example, when my students were using this geologic map of the U.S. that shows ages of rocks, they wondered, could we use the scale to figure out how wide the United States was? For my students, that was an authentic question that they could investigate and that they wanted to understand, and they had the means to do it. In our article, we explore 3 ingredients for authentic science engagement, which you'll be able to use when you plan your NGSS-based lessons. For example, we'll discuss how to NGSSify a well-loved lab so that your students will have opportunities to discover something new for themselves. Check it out.